So for those of you who are new to the channel, I recently underwent my fourth and hopefully my final hair transplant at Eugenics Hair Sciences, and I received 4,000 grafts. I'm going to go ahead and link my thread in the description box to the Hair Restoration Network, where I'm updating you guys with all of my updates and showing you guys all of the pictures and being completely transparent about the entire process. So if you guys are interested in learning more about hair transplants and hair loss solutions, please check out the link in the description. Alright guys, so what is the most effective hair loss shampoo? I've been getting this question a lot. To be quite honest with you guys, no shampoo is really that effective at stopping hair loss. I just got to be honest with you guys. Because shampoo, as soon as you put it on, you rub it in, you wash it off, it's not really being absorbed into your scalp, so it can't really be that effective just by nature. Now, having said that, there is ketoconazole, which is in shampoos like Nizoral and a couple of others. So this ingredient is pretty effective, and studies have shown that it can be comparable to 2% Minoxidil. But keep in mind, obviously, 2% Minoxidil is not that effective. It's not as effective as something like finasteride or dutasteride. Now, the reason why I want to say that is because there are a lot of shampoos on the market right now that are costing like $100, which is absolutely insane. I mean, you can get topical finasteride from Dr. Hassan at Zion Health for the same price, and it's going to be 20 times more effective. So, do not waste your money on shampoos. I would say the best shampoo is Nizoral, which is about, I don't know, 15 bucks or something like that. And you can get it at Walmart or Target or anywhere like that. The only thing I would say with Nizoral is that you don't want to use it that much because it can dry out your scalp. So I would say start 2 to 3 times per week. If you have a very oily scalp like me, you can use it more. I use it almost daily with no issues. The second shampoo I would recommend is called Lipogaine Big 3. This shampoo isn't as harsh as Nizoral. It also has ketoconazole and a couple of other ingredients that may be effective, but you know, I'm using quotes as a maybe. But it doesn't hurt to throw that in the mix. That's around, I think, 30 bucks for a bottle. And the other one is called Regenpure DR, which is similar to Lipogaine Big 3. It has ketoconazole and a couple of other ingredients that can be effective at stopping hair loss. But again, guys, there's going to be no shampoo that will stop your hair loss. So all of these like shampoos that are being marketed as some miracle shampoo, no. Do not waste more than $30 on a bottle of shampoo. You're throwing your money away. Put your money towards things that are actually effective. Things like finasteride, things like dutasteride, you know, Minoxidil. These are the things that you should be spending your money on. Everything else is just really a maybe. You have to look at the, you know, the proven medications that will stop hair loss. Well, I hope you guys found this video informative, and if you did, I would really appreciate it if you guys would go ahead and give the channel a like. If you like the information that I put on this channel, please consider subscribing and supporting the channel. I would really appreciate that. And if you think anyone would benefit from this video, go ahead and share with them. All right, till next time.